Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragati and today I am here with a very miscellaneous haul. Recently I have ordered a few things here and there from Flipkart, from Myntra and a few things miscellaneously. I just thought why not to show you all what all I have got, and maybe if you like something you can also check the description box and click the link and buy it yourself. Let's start with Myntra. It's not that I have way too many things. I have a few things and I just thought let's show you all. The first thing I have are a pair of shoes. It's been a long time since I've ordered shoes and I don't own any black shoes. I saw this at a very good offer, and who doesn't like shoes from Under Armour? I mean, who doesn't, right? So I just got this pair of shoes which are really pretty. I got these pairs of shoes which are really pretty and really comfortable, and love that they are black, and love that they are from Under Armour. The second item I have is a tote bag. So I have this one tote bag from Accessorize itself, and I was looking forward for another tote bag since a very long time. I wanted something black, something chic, something I can pair and use it as a everyday use. So this is what I got. I love this. Like, it's black, it's heavy duty, it's very good quality, and again this is also from Accessorize. If you can see it here, it's very minimal. Love the design, and this has always been quite out of stock on Myntra. And they also come with a pouch inside. So this is like a huge black pouch inside this bag in which you can keep your, um, precious things like your wallet, your cash, or your cards, or your checkbook, whatever you have. You can keep it inside and make it secure. This is the bag. I love this, guys. So the next thing is again from Myntra, and as you all know that I have started going to the gym and I've already wore this t-shirt. But yeah, I got this t-shirt from Bewakoof for a Bewakoof. Yeah, I'm talking about myself. Love this t-shirt. It says emotional baggage. I was eyeing on this t-shirt since a very very long time. I was waiting to buy this, and somehow it was never the right time for me to buy it. I had ordered it previously as well 2 3 times, but somehow I ended up canceling it. But this time I got it. It is oversized and I love it. I love how this is being like an emotional support for me in the gym. So the next few items are quite interesting because they are all related to health, which is so unlike me. But yeah, it's never too late, guys. It's never too late. So the first thing in regards to a very healthy item I have is a restock of my protein. Yeah, this is the protein I use. This is by SuperU. I love it to the bits. This is a restock. I'm buying this again. If you guys have a sensitive gut, if you guys are beginners, if you are looking for a good protein powder, go for this fermented yeast protein. It's very light on the gut, it's quite easily digestible, and look who's talking like that. Yeah, that's me. Hi. Love this protein powder. I recommend this 100 times to everyone out there who especially has a sensitive gut. I am very sensitive in my gut. Yeah, anxiety issues, guys. So the next thing I have is again very unlike me, but it's never too late. So I got this protein shaker. I was looking for something very good quality, durable. This is really, really good quality, and it's transparent. It's like it has this embossing design here. These were available in many different colors, but I wanted this one because this is the chicest I could get. And also, I didn't go for any stainless steel one because who knows if it will rust in some time, who knows if the paint will start peeling, and I didn't want any of that jhanjat. So I got this one. I love the quality, I love how it is, and I like how this is in size as well, because I am thinking to like consume 2 scoops of protein a day, and this is non-toxic, this is BPA free, this is everything but great. The next thing again, very unlike me. But yeah, I have a supplement to recommend to you all. If you are a bit inflamed, if you have a lot of non-veg, if you eat very heavy stuff, if you know, like tamasic stuff, If you have that sort of a lifestyle, I please recommend this to you. This is omega 3, and trust me guys, if you start taking omega 3, it will do wonders. It will change a lot in your body, and you will start feeling very light, very comfortable in your gut. I was taking a different brand's omega 3. I'm still taking that. It's about to get over in a day or two, and now I am changing to this because I'm increasing my dose. I've heard good names about this, and I'm very excited to begin with this. Let's see what this does to me. You'll know. I'll update you all. Okay. So this whatever next thing I have, I'm very excited for this because I've researched on this, and I know that this can do a lot for a human body, and that is creatine, guys. This is me. Like, I'm loving the pragati I'm becoming. I'm loving this version. I'm loving that I am now investing in myself, in my health, and for my betterment. I love that about me right now, and I really really encourage for all of you to also step into this chapter of yourself, of your self growth, of your transformation, of that version of yourself when you start investing in you. So I'm very excited about this creatine. I mean, I, because consume super use protein powder itself, I just thought that I should go for this itself. I mean, the same brand might be good, might not be. I don't know. I've never tried. Nobody around me has also tried this, but I'm so excited to start taking creatine, and I will give you an update after 30 days. After this pack ends, you will know from me if this changed anything for me, or if this did something better, didn't do anything at all. You'll know it, guys. Get a creatine for yourself. All should consume it, be it if you're a gym person, be it if you're not a gym person. We all should be consuming creatine. Yeah, creatine. And the last and the foremost thing I have for you all is related to a very spiritual side of pragati. I am into crystals. I do astrology. I believe in the world. I believe in energy. I believe in superpowers. I believe in miracles. I believe in all that shit. Yeah, for you it might be shit, but I do believe in everything that exists out here in terms of energy, in terms of spirituality, in terms of somebody who believes in stones. Yeah, I believe in that. So I am a lot into crystals, and I keep, collecting more according to what I need, what I don't. So I have these two beautiful crystals to show you. Yeah, if you can see, this crystal is rhodochrosite. Rhodochrosite is a very, very high vibrational crystal. Usually, a lot of you might have heard about rose quartz. A lot of you guys might have heard about moonstone. But rhodochrosite is a little higher frequency crystal. It is much more stronger than what a rose quartz is. But this is also again responsible for your heart healing, for your wound healing, for something related to love trauma, and like to attract the right person, to attract the right energy within yourself, and also to release any sort of a past trauma you have. And another crystal I have is also a very beautiful crystal. This is rhodonite. Yeah, if you can see, this is also like a pink one. This is rhodonite. This is again also for your healing. This is also for your heart chakra, and this helps you to resolve and balance your energies. This helps you to heal your heart. Again, this as well is like a high vibrational crystal, something higher than rose quartz, something higher than moonstone, something higher than amethyst. These are crystals which you wouldn't recommend everyone to wear it, but if they need it, if the right person really needs the crystal, yes, this is really like a very good thing you can go forward with. If you are dealing with anything painful, if you're dealing with a heartbreak, if you're dealing with a trauma, if you're dealing with trust issues within your relationship, if you're dealing with your own emotional wounds, definitely research about these crystals, rhodochrosite and rhodonite. First properly research it, and then definitely you can go and buy it. Crystals cause you no harm, guys. If you wear it, it won't be like it will not suit you or it will cause more damage in your life. Nothing like that can happen, because crystals are really safe forms of stones to wear. Like gemstones are not. Gemstones can be only worn if you're recommended, or if you are really eligible for it, then only it is advised for you to wear gemstones. But crystals can be worn by everyone, can be worn in according to your need, can be worn for you to really test what these are, but wear the authentic ones. Okay, so yeah, that was it for the haul, guys. This is all I had. These are really basic, like everyday use things, but I just thought because I had this accumulated, I thought I can really sit with you guys and talk about it and make a whole video out of this and share it with you guys. And if you guys need anything, I'll be putting all the links in the description. You can go ahead and buy it. Alright, guys, I hope you are enjoying my videos. I hope you are liking whatever I'm creating. I'm really trying to be consistent. I'm trying to make use of whatever I have. I'm trying to, make and document my life to be able to create content as well, which is unlike me, which is me putting out of my comfort zone. But I am doing all of this only so that I can create a community and so that I can fulfill that little girl's dream who wanted to be a YouTuber, who wanted to be famous, who wanted to be recognized. And I hope I'll succeed in that someday. I know I'm putting efforts now. Finally, after 7-8 years of having this channel, I'm finally putting efforts into this. I know that someday this will work out. Someday these efforts will be making me feel accomplished and none of the efforts will go to waste. Alright, guys, also if you can, please drop like video ideas for me in the comment section so that I can have more ideas and think more about what else can I create, because all I want is to be consistent here and I really mean it. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you very soon. Please take care of yourself. Please love yourself. Please live for yourself. And please take that accountability to do something for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret that. Okay, guys? Bye. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
पे ताज़ा के जीना है मुझे, बस वो होगा काफी। नहीं करने ऐसे काम मुझे कि मांगना पड़े माफी। इज्जत को फालूदा नहीं करने का, खुश रहना काफी। सर उठा के जीना है।